I'm in a Titan ad, bro. That's crazy. That's me, bro. So, katapos ng UBTG runs namin. And malaman-laman ko, tinatag na ako sa Instagram, sa TikTok, miski sa UBTG community, sa GC. Malaman-laman ko, lumabas na pala yung episode ko for Titan. What the f***? I don't know, bro. Kinikilig ako, guys. Hindi ko ma-explain yung naramdaman ko. Since nandito tayo, we're gonna make a sponty live reaction. By the way, it's my first video ad for Titan. Shout out for love of the game. Hey, shout out, Boss Dex! So yeah, we're gonna watch it live. Let's see how's my acting skills. Let's search Titan. Yan na. Here's my episode. That's me. Okay.
Ay, wala. Di naman makashoot eh. Wakaw! Ang pangit mong form. Ay, bano.
A few minutes later.
Oh my God. Okay. Episode 4, Patay Butike. Ganda ng galaw, kompleto forma. Hintis naman tira. That's me! Ako yun. Perfect talaga. Ako yung kinuha niyo. Imagine being on an ad, tapos Patay Butike. Is this a personal attack, Titan? I'm in a Titan ad, bro. That's crazy. That's me, bro. So nice. So, nagtatag sa akin. Thank you so much. By the way, guys, sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa pag-shoot nito. Super fun experience. Thank you. Shout out to Titan. Sobrang solid kayo. Hanggang mamayang gabi ko papanoorin ko. May bago na akong nickname. Patay Butike, man.